with us today. I would personally want to welcome you. So, in case you are joining us from Telegram, and you have chance of coming to the Zoom, please come to the Zoom so we could be able to talk. I want to personally welcome assigned co-owner to manage a meeting. I don't have a co-owner here. Mhm. So before I go in, okay, I have some quite number of people are joining, but let me just talk to someone. Can someone hear me there, please? Victor Chukwu Ebuka, Oluwasun, Cynthia. I think Cynthia is familiar. I've seen her name before. Can anyone hear me? And I'm also okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So I'm also live I'm also live on Restream. I'm live on Restream as well. I think it's also streaming on YouTube. No, yeah, YouTube, yeah, because of the nature of the program is an open program, but of course, specifically designed for our client as well. And we will introduce you to our trading system, the new trading group we formed on MT5. The reason is that we work hard a lot, so we want to make sure we coordinate those who are trading together with us, whether you trade for yourself or you use automation. So you use our own MT5 automation, and because the way our business model is structured, is structured in a way that we make money when you are making money, and we make losses when you are making losses. So the strength of our business model lies on our level of success. If our client is not doing well, they will not be motivated to trade more, and we're not going to make money. But if they are doing well, they trade more. So that is the nature of our business. So we believe that we are much experienced than some of you, because we know our analysis works. We know the things we do within our own. So imagine if almost everyone is duplicating the same thing accurately. That means you have chance of having a high success. And we are working with one of the best brokers, so it shouldn't be a problem that a lot of us will not be making money. So that is why we try to keep upgrading on the strategies and making it easier for people to join and like to benefit from us. Then this meeting we will discuss the concept. I wish more people join again because I receive more registration from our virtual assistant. More names were submitted to us. Let me count. About 34 names were submitted to us. So I don't know if maybe it's time system. Is there anyone that is new here? So guys, can we give them a little bit of time to know if they will join? Or shall we start? What's time now, please? This is 34. Can we say maybe next 5 minutes? What do you think? And how you can do with your trading? Are you doing well? How are you doing with your trading? Okay, so let's say we're gonna give them some time, like should I say 5 minutes? Yeah. I'm asking you how you guys doing with your trading, or are you not all trading? Somebody said I'm new here. That's Grace Guane. So Grace, are you a trader before? Someone say we are all good boss. This platform I'm using to share this thing, I think it will limit me from sharing the other platform with you. Let me see. I think it will limit me from sharing the other platform with you. Uh, Somebody say I'm trying to speak. Who's trying to speak? I'm trying to speak. Mr. Uche, we can hear you. Okay. I can't hear you when you speak. It's not from. I can't hear, but I can see. I'm not sure you can speak from my own. Okay, did you join me here? You say private chat. What's your name? Are you Esther? Oh, okay, yeah, David. Okay, I think guys muted themselves. So you are muted, so I can't be able to hear you. Yeah, you're muted. Yeah, your mic here shows muted, and I don't have option to unmute you. Let me know. Can I have option? Let me check if I have option to unmute you. No, I think you're the one that can unmute yourself. There's no option for me to unmute you. I have unmuted myself, but it still show guests muted themselves. It still show that you muted yourself. Yeah, that's what it's showing here. It shows the this thing. What do you call it? The mic that has a cross sign. Yeah, I have more people that is here with me. More people are joining me from Restream. I can accept up to 10 guests on Restream. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oluwa Tobiloba. Good evening, and I have Felix. Felix is also here. I can see Oluwa. His video is on. If you speak, I could be able to hear you. Then I can also see Esther. I can see David. More people are still trying to join me. So if you join my stream, you can be able to speak to me directly on studio. Yeah. Why I have this person? No, I want to learn. Yeah, we can teach you how to trade. But today we are teaching on automated trading platform and gold hedging strategies. Yeah, I'm currently making profit on a good sell. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's what this person said. Yeah, I'm seeing what if I think. Okay, on gold. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So that is the concept of this meeting, automated trading platform, and I mean the topic for this meeting anyway, automated trading platform and
Hey guy, why I call my good?
oh,
Hey,
someone
this
is
is
speaking.
Yeah, it's me, Toby, Oluwa Toby Loba.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm. So let me get something clear. Okay. Oh, we have 1 minute to start. We're starting in the next. I give only 5 minutes. Yeah, we have okay, more people are joining us now. You see, that means it's good as I allow more time. Yeah, it's good as I see more people are joining us now. It's good as I allowed more time. So I think we are good to start now. We have six people connected to us from the stream. Then we have how many people on the Zoom? We have about 8 persons on the Zoom. So that means our number is actually very big, increasing. So good morning, everyone. Let me welcome Ugo Mex. Ugo Mex, good evening. And let me welcome Chunonso Onyemobi. Good evening as well. And I'd like to talk to someone, to be honest. So if you can welcome, if you can speak to me, I will appreciate that. Then on my restream, let me welcome Mr. Rex. Mr. Rex, good evening. I've already welcomed Oluwatobi. Then I'm starting now. If you can speak to me, I will appreciate that.
Good evening, Mr. Oche. This is David. Thank you so much for having me on here. I look
Okay, good
forward to
evening.
this
Yeah.
session.
So
Thank
where
you.
are you connected from?
I'm connected from the United States of America.
Oh, you're from US.
Yes. And I see the
Oh.
way gold has been rising, and so I'm so excited and
So
to
how did
hear.
you hear about us then? Because I don't think we have a lot of advert on US.
Well, I think I stumbled upon you. I think it was on YouTube, but then I'm also a part of your Telegram channel, and I've just seen
Oh,
how
I see.
the growth has been, and I'm so happy. There was a few restrictions earlier for the US, connecting with GTF Ava, GFT Ava rather.
Yeah,
But I
GFT
was
Lava,
able
yeah.
to,
So
yeah,
they
I
are the
was able
one
to.
now we are pushing on this particular webinar. So that's the strategy we are teaching. We are not teaching something that is too ideal. You know what I mean? So there's already an inbuilt structure. All of these things, they are operated of somebody's strategy that you have to program into a system that can be visible. You know what I mean? So as I start now, I'm so sorry I have to come in and start talking together from where you stop. Rest. Yeah. So we are discussing on today or this hour Zoom. We are going to discuss on how to hedge your account with gold. Like I said on some of my posts on my Instagram, we are the only people that you can trade with without losing your capital in trading. Yeah. So and this system when we started it, it looked as if it was impossible. We started 2 years ago, but I can tell you it's actually becoming possible. Then we started from the from the Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange. That's where we started this system. We started from Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange. So if you go to I think my personal YouTube, you will see the videos that we have done with members of members of uh, Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange when it was licensed by SEC. We did a lot of video and we also did some of the webinars with some members of Nigerian Stock Exchange. Yeah, so that was when we started about 2 or 3 years ago. Then we tried to push hard with them to collaborate with them, but we were able to succeed. We have CIS account. Currently, we have a custodian, and we also have some of the good position that we have opened on Nigerian Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange platform. It is still there. We still have our contract note, and a lot of our clients who is investing through that exchange are actually doing well. So sometimes, we need to make sure if you don't really know who we are, you may think that we are just on internet. So we're actually grounded with a lot of information, just that sometimes innovation is lacking to make sure those things are more visible to people. So we have a strategy that allow clients to connect to uh, let's say, multi-trading platforms or to connect to more than one trading platform and which is not just forex trading platform. a platform that allow you to connect to other to other market floor, which enables you to hedge. If you must hear about people, the big company, you may say hedge fund managers or portfolio manager or big bank, we always use those big companies to make reference how they're making millions, how they are trading. So if you must hear about them, their concept doesn't, why they don't lose their money is that they don't do it the way you are doing it. That's the truth. Make your research. Rest, you're from the United States. Probably must hear about Wall Street traders and other big companies. There. You know that some of them are not losing the way the noise is making we make on internet is, and they have people lose money in the financial market. Those of you that are from UK or some part of Dubai or Europe, where the people are doing this business properly, you should be able to know more. So we have a system that can connect you to that. So making you to play on institutional level as a big boy. So and some of you have the money, but you put those money on a retail platform because that is the market available for you, and they don't even have enough platform that can allow you to strategize and diversify your strategy. So our own goal now is to make sure those strategies we bridge those gap between that is causing those loopholes. And I can tell you, I'm on live stream. I can tell you categorically, your almighty brokers are not there for you. Yeah, they can relate with you professionally on what they can offer, but they are not there to create all these things for you because each brokers has what they are looking for and the type of product they are selling for you. So if they like, let them have 133 licenses listed on their page. That license is what license them to receive money from you and offer you the services. It does not license them to prevent you from losing capital. Yeah. So your almighty license, your almighty broker cannot. That's why even them too, as brokers, are also working to enhance their own system, not your own. Enhance their own technology, enhance their own operation, get more people on their platform and everything. While you too, you still have to struggle your own, enhance your own strategy, making sure you make more money because that is how the system works. No matter how they design, some of you will come to a brokerage platform and be asking a broker what is the minimum. So in your concept of psychology, you may think that their minimum is what can make you succeed. No, they just want to make more money from people. I've seen a broker that accepts a minimum of $1. That $1, assuming he has 2 million people and he collects over $1 from them, that's $2 million. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Assuming he has 2 million people and the broker collects $1 from them as minimum, that's $2 million. But you may think, this broker is easy to start, but it's not. It's that $1 does not mean that you have to be successful to $1. You may go and become excited and put $5 because it's a minimum is $1. You put $5 or $10. Think you want to succeed first before you put you plan yourself. Only you end up giving them the $10 every day, $30 every day, and they are making money. It become another model of income where they're making money. So each broker, each exchange, each platform are designed for themselves, which you then technically work with us because we have more access to client than broker. Broker always give you professional services, but we can teach, we can mentor. So we also have to model our own business in a way that it can be able to give you the value that you're looking for, which brought us to a gold hedging system that can prevent you from losing capital. Do you understand? Are you following me? I would like to hear somebody so that I will know when I'm talking to people. Please, I'm not trying to command you. If you're in a quiet place on the Zoom here or anywhere, you can be able to always let me hear you. So that's what brought us to the concept that allow gold hedging with the way the big guys are trading on it. And this concept, we're pushing it across different platforms. Some brokers are giving it, some brokers are not giving it. Now, that is what brought this page we are sharing with you now. Now, this company together work with okay, let me continue. Now, this is the platform. This platform now, this particular performance you see on gold now this is 59% this year. That means between January till now, gold alone has done 59%. So assuming you are just hedging, you're not trading gold, you're just hedging it. Yeah, the money must have gained up to 59% return, only that alone. Yeah. So we present a strategy like that could allow you to hedge your asset with gold. Then why you keep trading on other platforms, like keep trading on other product, maybe you keep trading on your forex account or your leverage product or your CFD account, why this one is hedging. Now this thing will automatically prevent you from, give you more hedging over your trading, and give you more hedging over risk, and give you more chances of making profit. Because as gold price keep rising, you making money from your hedging this thing account, and of course you making money from your own strategy, which you are trading more. And if there's by any chance the one you are trading, you have a loss that is much, you're not going to lose your capital because your capital is being hedged. I don't know if I'm making sense. We started gold hedging system when gold was 2,600 per ounce. Now it's now 4,008 something. So imagine the profit so far. And since that time, we have not liquidated our gold. Now this platform also, when we say GFT Ava here, that Ava came from Ava Trade because the company trade under Ava Trade. Do you understand? I wish I could hear someone. Okay. Okay, perfect. So the company trade under Ava Trade. So we launch a new program for our own self because some of you don't understand how some of these things work. So the more you look, the less you see. Companies run on aggregated aggregation of operation. One company, one brand, you may see a lot of companies. So you need to know what each and everybody offer. So we just decided to create a special group for ourselves, for our own client, our own traders. So we could trade together. So when we make an analysis, we can be able to trade on our analysis. Since sometimes we can get up to 70 to 80 or 90% accuracy of our analysis, all of us can trade it. So it means that we will have chances of becoming more successful together than those of you that were just like belonging to different telegram and they having telegram group picking a lot of analysis that does not really help you. So now this platform allow you to have access to physical gold hedging through exchange. Then also, of course, give you access to trade on your gold CFD through leverage. Then it can as well decide not to hedge at all. Sorry, not to trade at all. Then it can hedge on gold. That's where gold investment come. You could just have your asset classes hosted or held on gold. Then another benefit is that you could do hybrid, like you could trade by yourself. You're free to trade by yourself, or you can use automated trading system, which I will now show you how it works. Then, you could do by yourself. You could do what is called multi-account executions. It's not AI. People always ask whether it's AI. It's not AI. It's multi-account executional platform that allow multi executions to happen at the same time on account. And of course, you have access to physical gold. Some of you don't may not really know much about CFD. CFD stand for contract for difference. And the nature of CFD means that you don't have access to underlying asset. You're trading the number and the value of the product. And it's mostly offered by brokers. Do you understand? So that's what makes this a little bit different. But now, when you trade CFD together with underlying asset, then it become more better for you because you know that your money is not tied to something tangible. I mean, your money is tied to that particular or a particular product that is driving your money. That is where you could have access to physical gold hedging, which is the major reason why we are having this thing. So we just have to find a platform that works, that will make sure account can be properly controlled by this because those people that are trading, that stop loss cannot stop you from losing money. Yeah, stop loss can't stop you from losing your capital. Let me see, let me use the word correctly. So the best thing that can stop you and make you more money is where you have access to hedge. Then you see the platform is now MT5, is powered by AvaTrade. Then somebody will be asking me who's this AvaTrade. So let me share it properly with you so that you see who the AvaTrade is. Let me know. More people still want to join me. Oh my God, more people still want to join me. Let me connect to them. I'm so sorry. I started early. So those of you that are joining me, have allow you in now. I'm allowed to allow 10 guests. How many guests do I have now? I think I have more than 10 guests now. I'm allowed to have only 10 guests here. I wish you can talk to me. If you are just like quietly looking at me, is it the first time of seeing me? Those who are
We're here.
so can you hear me? So
Yes.
I know you can because I can hear you too from my distance. So now this is how the automated trading platform works, it's powered by AvaTrade. So they have a multi-account management platform. And you may be asking yourself, why is it AvaTrade is not offering it? A broker cannot make execution. So a full service broker will not make. It's only a discount broker or what to call executioner broker that can make executions for like that. So you see the platform, we have it on MT5, but I could not get MT5 page because of time. But you know, all of you know about MT4. There's a new version which is MT5, higher version of the MT4. So this is the platform where account is connected and it can be able to make execution like smoothly, and everything will be done. So now, okay, as you can see, traders have full access to MT5 and the MT4. As you can see. So now, of course, I don't want to keep talking about this company because they're not paying me for it, but I have to, for purpose of clarity, you need to know Avatar is one of the biggest and heavy regulated broker in the world. If I show you more, let me know if I can. Okay, this is their personal page. I wish I can go to their home page. Yeah, so that you see more. This is a partner page. If you go to their home page, you see more of the regulation, where their account, their order is coming from. If you go to trading info, maybe I may get that later. You see where their this thing is coming from, where their order flow is coming from. Order flow is coming from. Yeah. Let me know if I can get it. Yeah, if you go to trading info, you see where the order flow is coming from. Although some of you may not be interested in knowing all this, but sometimes we like to do research a lot about platforms and know exactly what makes them different from others. So if you go to trading info, let's say commodities, then you see where the order flow is coming from. Yeah, look at here. You see that this one is coming from New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, so this is New York. This is where the order flow is coming from. A broker can dare not put such information on their platform if it's not true. Otherwise, they will risk being heavily fined. So if you check any of the floor, they also trade on. But if you check some of these things, you see where some of things is coming from. This is US 500. Okay, this one is coming from CME. The other flow is coming from Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Yeah. So, but you need to know what we are doing and why it's gonna benefit you, because we are not doing it for Avatar, we are doing it for you. So back to my page. So now this is where the order flow goes in directly. So we created our own platform now where we will make sure that all our clients will be on MT5, and if you want to trade for yourself, you trade by yourself, but using those our analysis we provide. Then if you want to use the automation, then you connect. So let's say we are buying oil, the account automatically we buy the same oil on our analysis, and we are hedging it at the same time with physical gold. Let's say we are selling maybe forest products, your account could sell it. Then you could be able to monitor exactly what is happening at the same time. So let me quickly share the portal with you. I know that you may be having a question to answer me, so be preparing your question. So from here, this is how the gold hedging portal is, because CFD broker does not allow you hedge. They don't have hedging. They only have MT4, and MT4 it cannot hedge. On MT5 it cannot hedge. It can only do leverage product. So this is how the portal look like. When you log in, you will see the current price of gold. You will see the total amount of gold you are holding in case you started hedging. Then you can be able to get the Avatar account from here. Yeah, you can get the Avatar account from here. So once you sign in, you get Avatar account. If I go on my profile, you will see that there's a place where you can get Avatar. So I don't even need to go to Avatar to get the account. Once you sign up, automatically you get the account. And if you log in, you see that it is connected to Avatar. Why the gold hedging is connected to another exchange, other exchange platform, and at the same time like now look at the the New York Stock Exchange link I share with you now. The order flow coming there is not CFD order, or some of the order flow coming there is futures order, like the gold price order, the crude oil futures order. They not the let's say I don't know where I have not checked where the forest order is coming from. Maybe forest order may be coming from European Central Bank. So it's coming there, and those order may not even be leverage order. It is like normal spot order, like spot market order, buy and sell. So the more they key those orders, it's not that they are giving it on leverage. It is broadcast and on the platform that is being amplified and added leverage. So, but that's where the order flow is coming from. Sometimes when you place those orders, they pass it across on a spot note. But I don't want to go into that technicality of technology because it's deeper than what we think. Because those things occur very fast. At the same time, you're making money on your leverage product, which is amplified to make you more money. That's also the same product, the same at time a spot buyer or a future buyer buy the same product and also make money, but not in the same degree of return. So so let's say you will now hedge on gold. This is how the one you're hedging on gold will look like. For example, let's say I want to make a deposit. I'll click. Let's say I want to make a deposit of $5,000. Now I can choose to hedge. I can choose to hedge 50% of it on gold, or I can choose to hedge. I can choose to put all of them on gold. If I put all of them goes into gold. It means I don't want the account to trade. It means I don't want the account to trade on. I don't want to trade the account on MT5. I want to hedge it on physical gold, which can give you, which is the best performing asset this year. That means no trading, but you're gonna make returns. Please get this area very clear because this is the major topic. So no trading, but you're definitely gonna make a return. Once the gold price keep rising, the value of your gold will keep rising. Now, let's say maybe you have made profit on gold and you want to move to the trading platform. Then you can, okay, I'll show that one later. So let's say you're making a deposit, you want to split it. So you can come in here and maybe decide to hedge 50% of the money on gold with gold. It means about this value of gold of your money will be hedged, and this value of your money will go into your trading account, and at the same time you'll be trading. So you have already locked up 50% automatically. That one can't lose. Rather, it's even invested on gold, and which will give you profit. Because gold hardly depreciates in value. Forget about the CFD that can easily come down because of the margin. If you invest on physical gold, it's always going up, and there's chances that gold will get to 5,000 this year or next year because it keep going up. There's a lot of performance on gold. So on this note now, then you can choose to select a deposit method, whether credit card or bank wire or Bitcoin or whatever. Then you make a deposit. So immediately you make the deposit, remember your account is already verified. This money will go to AvaTrade automatically, hit your AvaTrade account. Then assuming your account is on an automated trading account, this is WebTrade, this MT5 account. Assuming it's on automated trading account, then it will be trading automatically. For the purpose of this webinar, I will encourage all of us to use MT5 if you want to be on our own group. If you use WebTrader, it's not under our own group. So that we can be able to monitor, assuming you're using automation, we can be able to monitor your account because we believe we can trade better than you. I mean, we can monitor, know exactly what is happening more than you. Some of you don't have all the time and they don't even have whatever to trade professionally, or sometimes you're emotional about it. So let's say any percentage of hedging you want to hedge, let's say you want to hedge maybe 30% or 20%, then you see that system will automatically allocate your asset. Do you understand? Then, for example, let's say now you have more money. I have $764,000 here. Probably this account is trading on my MT5 account, and I've made profit. I don't want you to go down. Then I want to lock it up on gold. Then I can request for gold hedging. Then I can put, maybe I can say, let me put 300,000. I can put $300,000 out. So automatically it will give me about 71 ounce of gold at which is equivalent. Look at the current price. Okay, it will give me 70 ounce of gold, which is equivalent to 2,239 grams of gold, and at the current market price. Then I can submit it automatically. So what happened? This company will automatically facilitate your order on another exchange. Like I told you, maybe London gold exchange or Dubai gold exchange, or those of us in Nigeria, some of us who trade on with our gold hedging, some of the orders we executed on Lagos Commodity and Futures Exchange is there. Contract note is there. They can go and verify all of them. We have had a lot of countless of. They used to come to our platform about a year ago to talk, but we have stopped. We have not had a program with them this year anyway. We will still have program with them. Yeah. So depending on where the gold is executed, then your order will automatically be executed. And as the order is executed, it will also be here, because I told you interconnectivity, everything is interconnected. So it will also be here. You could see how your order is going and stuff like that. Then if you want to like liquidate your gold, you can liquidate. If you want to liquidate, so it's a system that allows you to hedge with gold and also allow you to even keep your money on gold, which the offline market, you can't just go and access gold like that. Then I also allow you to trade, and it has eliminated the chances of losing your capital. And of course, you know about deposit withdrawal and stuff like that about gold. So like histories, you know how to use all these things. But I just wanted to show you how the gold hedging portal is. Why, when you are trading, all of you know about MT5 account now. So you have your MT5 account. You can always, you have your MT5 account. You already know how it works. So you can always check those ones on your MT5. If you're using an app or if you're using a desktop, you can be able to check it. Because of most brokers on the portal, you can't be able to make execution there. You can always have the downloaded platform on your own side to allow you make executions. So now, in a summary, you can trade by yourself, which everybody want to do, or you can use the platform I just like showed you. Then we decided to have our own group. So we want to make sure that the people we are mentoring that are trading with us, we trade together on our own platform. I mean, having our own group. So, and then we started last week, but we want to make it more official this week. Where any of you can okay, we teach you how to trade. Somebody said I want to learn. Yeah, I will come to that later. But today was for this particular topic. With the trade, okay, don't worry, I'll answer your question later. So now we can be able to trade together. You know that on our Telegram we used to drop a lot of powerful analysis. Yeah, so every week we target 500 pips. I think, did we met our target last week? Who traded with us? We met our target last week, right? So we used to target every week 500 pips and every month 2000 pips. Most of the times we used to hit that target all the time. Then we can be able to monitor. If you can have that level of success and have a hedging system, that means all of us are going to be making a good amount of money, and we believe that we can do much better than some of you. Yeah. So this is how to hedge on gold. So I'll be waiting for your question now, and those of us that want to work with us, then we can be able um, to start up something. Yeah. But so before then, let me answer a question. Somebody said, with the gold, with the gold you are hedging in the MT5 also be reflecting on the gold you are hedging in the with the gold you are hedging in the reserve? No, 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 no. MT5 does not allow gold hedging. I said it at the beginning. So where it will show only here. It will show only here. Yeah, maybe if the assuming I'm the most powerful person with all this company, maybe I could speak to one of the directors of MetaQuote. I know one of them, Mr. Tony, but I'm not the owner of Avatrade and all this company. So it depends on them. The MT5 designed for leverage product is not designed for sport or futures. Is mostly designed for leverage product. However, Avatar has futures. You can also trade future, but we don't have any investor there. There's a futures for Avatar. Look at it here. I see these futures. So these are futures connected to New York Stock Exchange directly. So you could trade future, but it requires a little bit amount of money and different approach. But you can be able to monitor your hedging here. But on the web trader, I think you should be able to see everything. Yeah. So, any question? Any question? I'll be able to answer your question. All of you are quiet. Good evening. It it must be here, but I wouldn't know if it's something. If it's for forest related, you can ask. But okay. Okay. It's already threatening brokers. There are sometimes retail traders makes more money than some brokers cannot be able to pay. Even now, there are brokers that are struggling to pay profit. But do you know why? Do you know the reason, Mr. So it depends the type of the broker. Some of the broker don't have liquidity enough to pay. So now, because of most people can just be a broker. Now, let me share an insight with you. Why we mention are you on Zoom? Can you see what I'm sharing with you now from here? What can you see now, please? Okay, okay. So you can see what I'm sharing with you now, right? Yeah, yeah. I think I'm sharing different screen, but let me make sure I share all of them at the same time. I'm so sorry. They will get me a platform that I will be streaming on one platform and share at the same time. Mr. What's that? How do I pronounce your name, sir? Okay, oh, okay. So now you see what is here. Here now. Now, a broker like AvaTrade, they run what we call STP. Yeah, so it means orders are passed through an exchange. So now, so if you like, bring your $1 billion, they're not the one covering it. It's covered by another exchange. Yeah, but there's some broker that the order is held with them. So now they are taking all the risk. I don't want to mention their name. They are popular in Nigeria. So they are taking all the risk, and they can be able to, pay you if you make profit. But sometimes they now the risk is that imagine if you're kind of a dangerous trader and you make more money, then you're gonna put them at risk. Sometimes they give you some dangerous trading condition. They may be charging more and a lot of stuff because of they don't want to run out of liquidity where they can't be able to pay profit. That is because of OTC. But now, so the brokers like this, like I don't want to call the name, but I know some powerful brokers. I know them, but I cannot be talking about broker that I'm not. Yeah. So some of them it can never because of they run an aggregation. If you make a bank transfer here, you go to JP Morgan. I'm not trying to promote them. I keep disclaiming it because they didn't pay me for this webinar. So that I'm not supposed to be talking on their behalf. So, but you need to know the clarity how everything works. Do you understand? Yeah. So now, if you make this thing goes directly to JP Morgan, so some of these companies, these are the area that are having their liquidity. So it's difficult for some of them to have issue, but there's other broker that will have issue, which is very common. Yeah, that's why if you want to trade, you need to know the in-depth of that trading platform, what they offer you, type of execution they offer. Do you understand? So if you use the right platform, like the platform we are presenting to you, is fine. But you may use the one that's popular to you because they have office in Ikeja, your friends is using them, everything. So because that's how psychological, that's how we think. Because that's what everyone is using. Yeah, that's one of your influencer is promoting them. You may not know the reason behind those things. Do you understand? So you use them I'm not saying they're not good, but people may have issues with some of broker, but there's a broker that's so powerful that they have a lot of liquidities, everything. So, like some of the brokers we use have what is called aggregated liquidity. It's not even one aggregation. So they can pass orders across. Now, let's say you're hedging on gold. Gold is already tangible asset you have. Like, if you check my page, I posted a lot of physical gold bars. I'm already holding it. That's my liquidity. I can walk into CBN and liquidate it. So they understand now. Yeah. So now, so it becomes practically difficult if you are using a good platform. Yeah. So unfortunately, brokers cannot disclose this information to you. Unfortunately, yeah, they will not. I was privileged to know that some of the brokers we use, the broker we use, they have they connected to CME, New York, and Goodman, yeah, and Goodman Sachs. I know if because of from the director of the broker, and it was a private meeting. You can't come to the brokerage website and see the liquidity. You go and browse all the brokers, you can't see it. You cannot see it. They can only mention it unless if a broker that's too transparent because of their regulation, they have to publish everything. But it's rare. Do you understand now? Mm. No. No, it's not possible unless if if the broker is just one single broker that is the loan. Okay, now let's say now you guys are trading together, and there's no a big broker that is covering your order flow. So if it's just one broker or one particular person, the person you just have to know that that person is taking the risk. Okay, let me give you an instance. It's a very it's a very illustrative event that happened in our office in Port Harcourt. So one of our staff came to work with us, and his brother, he told me a story about his brother. Do you know about betting? So he said that his brother has sold his camera, sold his what do you call it? They have shut down the betting company. Even the betting company was set up in Aba, they shut it down. Do you know what happened? They said that people usually come there to bet, and they keep losing, keep losing. So these betting shops, let's say they act like brokers. Why their major company in Lagos is their liquidity. So how it happens that when somebody places a bet in your shop, you need to facilitate that order to their head office before they play the game. So now they say that this guy came and used 200,000 to play a bet, and his brother thought that game will cut. And so he did not facilitate it before they played to their Lagos office, and the guy won the game, something of millions. Yeah. And now he now has to pay. And there's no way there's no way he can tell the guy, this year, I thought you will lose it. I keep the money in our drawer. I did not send it to Lagos. So that is similar to how brokerage and the investment works. So so they have to pass the order to maybe to the bank, providing them liquidity. They have to pass it to the exchange. They have to pass it to where that order flow is coming from. So if you keep it with you, that means you're taking the risk. Yeah, that's what it is. Most brokers run over the counter without liquidity. Without liquidity, some of them will just liquidity. That's why if you know your brokers, you may be able to know. Okay, there's a broker that's in my mind. I can't mention their name, but that's how they work. Some of these brokers work on aggregation, so they are bigger. They can pass your order flow. Now, how you will know them is that they are more centralized and more important on volume. The volume is where they are more important because the volume you make much better for them. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, and I think other people who may be speculating in their mind, is this real or is not real? I think you're all learning. Who has learned something from that question, please? So now, this is the concept of hedging. Some of you have a lot of money, but you need to start hedging. I've said that a lot, almost like 5 or 6 months now. I keep telling you guys, we need to start hedging. If you be hedging, you'll be making more profit. There are some people I know, a year ago, they started hedging with. I know one guy, he started hedging with, as it 2 grams of gold, about 200 and something dollars. Then that was what it was. That gold now was almost $100, and he's still trading. His account was, I think, $1,000. Yeah. Then he split it. The one he's hedging is worth $700 now. Tell me how you lose his capital. It's difficult. It's not like trading like a big boy. That's what you call superior trading, where you're not just playing on numbers. You're now like, dealing with the written. Imagine if he has more money, what that investment could have. He's still trading with us. I don't. He's not here anywhere, but I know he was with us. He started with us about 2 or 3 years ago. About 2 years ago, yeah. So now, I don't know, we'll be able to sign you up. Some of you that want to sign up with us, and I want to let those of you that are already with us. I think Cynthia, you're with us. Yeah, Cynthia is familiar to me now. Who else do I know their name here that's familiar to me? I don't know, Victor. You look familiar. I don't know if you're with us or not. Yeah, so we have decided to make sure that we trade on the same platform to allow, like, let us like connect and use MT5. And if you can hedge, you hedge. But if you cannot hedge, fine, you could use our analysis to be trading at the same time. And they can also use use the maybe the automated platform to trade. So this is what brought you here. I'm open for more question for those of you that want to join. Somebody want to learn how to trade. So drop me your WhatsApp number. We have a different training program we give. We also provide capital for traders who want to trade. So if you're learning from us, we can provide you capital. We have a capital program we launched almost 2 years ago. We always provide the capital. Mm. So what's the name again? So you can live with us for like 1 month. You can live with us for like 6 months. You can learn for like 1 year. Yeah. Mm. Now, this is we have to sign up. In case you are looking for the link to sign up, you sign up through our link. I've shared it here. Um, I'm still waiting for more question. Even okay, Nigeria. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 That's similar to how it works. So let me show you. I don't know whether you can see my screen again. Now, let's say my friend that asked that question. What's your name again? Let me address you by your name. So okay, 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 I know. So now I think you could see my screen. Let's say now you want to come in with $2,000, and you are hedging on gold, and okay, that you don't want to hedge, or you don't want to trade the account. You just want to hold it there. Do you understand? I mean, you don't want to trade to go on NT5 platform because you don't. You just want to hedge it. What you have to do is to allocate all to gold like this. As you allocate all to gold, you see that your trading account is zero. The allocation you have here is zero. That means on our trade account, money is not going to go there. So the whole money goes into gold. So this one, you can hold it for like 6 months, 1 year, and as long as the price of gold keep going up, then you keep making money. This is now what you call gold investment. Do you understand? So you have your contract note, you know where your gold is located, you know everything. So it's gold investment. Yeah. Then I wanted people to ask me some intelligent questions. More. This is like good. This is good future now. Good future and good sport is similar. Because of you trade once it is done on exchange, it's future because you trade for the future price to go up. That's why it's called futures. But it's not gold ETF. Gold ETF is almost like gold CFD because it's like paper gold. But this is like gold that can be delivered to you if in case you want delivery. Yes, that's what it's called future now. Yeah, good futures. Good futures are delivery. It's not ETF. It's not CFD. So do you understand? So this gold, but it's not gold chain. It's the real gold investment product. Yeah, like it's not like it give you chain. It's like gold bar. It's like in block. Yeah, people should. I know people that ask me where is this gold from, this and that, so that you'll be able to know more. That was the thing I wanted because it can be going on in everybody's head now. Like they can't imagine some of the things. So that's even what I am expecting more questions so that you understand more how some of these things works. Mm. Then see from here now, it means that you're not trading. You just like invested only on gold futures since gold is doing well this year. And if gold keep going up, the price of gold you're holding here will be going up. Do you understand? So on this note now, no trading platform, the money is you're not putting the money on your MT5 platform. Do you understand? Yeah. So, but assuming you want to trade some of them because of this one, profit comes small because of it's like the stock value. Once you keep going up, then it will keep going. People trade on CFD more because of they can use leverage to amplify profit. That leverage can boost you more. Then you can now be able to like maybe allocate some of them. Let's say, okay, let me split it. Let me have maybe 1,000 on my trading account and let me have 1,000 for gold. So that's 50-50. You have hedged 50% of your capital on the gold and 50% here. Then you'll be trading. Then so this one in a day you can make 10%, you can make 20%, you can make 30% in a week because it's more liquid. This is how it works now. So you can make more in a day. In fact, you can grow this account on this one maybe to 30% within a month if the market is okay. Because of you have more leverage there. But this one is hedging. Why you keep trading. So the more profit you make here, the more you want to hedge. Or if this one make more profit, then you may also want to push it back to trading. While we will be on our own and giving you analysis every day. Tomorrow we're gonna hit analysis today. Tomorrow, giving you analysis things to do and you keep trading. Yeah. Somebody said I want to learn how to trade on automated trading platform. Okay, yeah. So my boss, one question, please. Okay, so go ahead. Cool. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, actual good. Mm-hmm. 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 Depreciate. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is your question. Yeah, that is why that is why we are more sophisticated investor than those who does not understand. We are traders, so we can be able to reach the market movement, the chart. So when we say that the gold price may depreciate, we could move our money out, or we may even go to CFD and take a sell position. Why the Grammys that who just walk to a stock exchange and buy gold don't even know how the price is moving. But a trader now can be able to know. If you see when S&P want to fall, you will know. But somebody that invested through a stockbroker to buy shares don't even read the market chart. So we can be able to see, like for example, last 2 weeks, I think you can see my screen now. Last 2 weeks, gold was 47%. But last two weeks, last 3 weeks, it was 51%. Later, it dropped to 47. You know that good drop. Last week it was 61. Now it's 59. So the price will keep fluctuating. Like before, this price you see here was 4,128. Now today is 4,080. There was time it was 3,900. So the more the price of gold fluctuates, the more the value also fluctuates. However, the value of gold mostly go up than coming down. The only time gold crash was 1978. So go and read the history. Mm. Somebody, yeah, I'm sharing my screen, so you should be able to see my screen. Yeah. Mm. So now the price of gold will keep like fluctuating. So if you're an experienced trader, you can be able to know how to maneuver those you can be able to be swapping more. For example, if gold price dropped and you want to hedge more, you can move your money from the CFD position back to hedge. Probably have made more money. So it's like this is a unique strategy. I can tell you, it's a unique strategy, very fantastic strategy for proper risk management and more growth. And of course, it's suitable for those who want to like maintain stability, not people that want to jump in and jump out. So how do you guys see the strategy? Is it something that you think is worth trading with? I'm sharing my screenshot. Mm, mm, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mm. No, no, no. You don't need huge amount of money. Just that we don't have access to the market. Like somebody asked me today, why is it that Nigerian stock market, Nigerian stock exchange, many fintech companies are looking for fund outside. Why nobody want to look for investors on Nigerian stock exchange to fund their product? I told them, that was online. I told them because if you go in there, the system there look too traditional, and the people who work with them, the players there don't really want to give people access. They understand. They don't want to give you access to to the thing. Maybe the other, maybe they just think that it's for them and their children. So some of these things is there, but we don't really have access to it as a retailer. It become a problem for you. Then what is available for you is the one that you could be easily access, which sometimes it may not suit your strategy. It does not mean that you don't have the money you have cannot play here. You can actually play because this is what is available for you. You have to stick on that one. Why you don't have access to this? And now this platform now bridge that gap, bringing you closer to the real way people are doing it properly. Why they maintain stability. As a trader, as a young trader, when I was trading, sometimes when I go to platform and lose my money, I'll come back. I say I'm not going to trade again. Then when I'm on TV, I see people talking on Bloomberg. I say, these people, is it not the same platform I lost money that they are talking about? Do you understand? I said, how are they doing their own? Why I just left Cyber Cafe now and I lost money in trading. And then when I say lost money, I lost capital. Do you understand? And that's it's not the same platform, it's not the same market. That's why you have to be more curious, trying to learn how these guys are doing it, only to discover that this is actually how they are doing it, not exactly how I'm doing my own, but because what's available for me is a Cyber Cafe trading platforms. So I now have to stick to what's available for me. Now, if I have more access to the market, I will start playing like them too. So we are bringing each other together where we can be able to share the common strategy together and make the common money together. Yeah. So I'll be free. I'll be willing to onboard some people by myself. We are quite a huge number today. For those of you that want to join, so we have spent approximately 45 minutes now. So for those of you that want to join me, I'll most likely want to onboard you on my sessions. I'm the one that is holding the meeting. So please, you could drop your WhatsApp number directly on the group. I can be able to onboard you, and I've also shared the link. I'll be able to also you can register directly. I can be able to also onboard you. We have quite a number that came today, so I'm even I like it as well. So those of you that want to join us, so tomorrow we are hitting the platform and we start reading. I have more chat here. Let me check. Please, how can I get physical gold bars? So first, let's say I invested $1,000. Is it possible for me to hedge the whole? Yeah, it's possible for you to hedge the whole capital in gold. That's Rex. Yeah, Rex. I don't know. Rex, are you still here? Let me know if you're there. Uh, okay. So yeah, you could be able to have you can be able to hedge the entire money. Abraham raised a question. You can ask a question as well, Abraham. You can be able to hedge the entire money on gold without capital without say without a loss or without using capital. You can hedge all of them on gold. Please, how can I get a physical gold bar? That is the platform I'm showing you now. So in case you want to hedge all your account on gold, then you can hedge it. Then from exchange, you can ask for delivery. They will send it to your doorstep if you want delivery. So if your delivery is you're no more hedging, you just purchase the good. In Nigerian law, if you take a delivery on Nigerian law, always make sure that you have your contract note with you anytime you're going around, because if police catch you with physical bars of gold, they might ask you where you get it, unlike some other countries. And of course, you have to guard it with jealousy, because if somebody steals the gold, he will go and sell it. That's why, yeah, because and they will take it from you. Yeah, yeah, because of it's a block, it's a gold block, so it's not. There's a percentage, there's a gram that you cannot carry as a block and move around, but you can be able to. That's if you have a custodian, you have to be on a custodian with contract note, then you can liquidate at any time. If you have it at physical gold bar, you can sell in the black market, which they will price you less, but because you're not more dealing trading as an investment, you're not like speculating on a black market. If you want to enlist back the gold on exchange, you have to pass through custodian, you have to pass sorry, it has to pass the certification, clearing, and testing. They have to test everything, which takes some other processes for them to know that that gold is actually like a quality gold, that it can be listed on exchange. Mm. So that's how it works. Mm. Mhm. One, we provide funded capital to traders that are learning how to trade from us. Who provide them mostly through a profit platform or some credit. It's not like an investor bringing his cash to a learner to use it to learn. You know that kind of strategy can never be possible. Like it's not that where we collect money from investor. Let's say you deposit money to trade, we now move it to a learner to that you are using to. That's what I want to say. So it can be funny. So do you understand now? So we can't provide that one to somebody that's learning. So we provide them through funded account or directly from brokers. So brokers know how they can cover. We will not take somebody. We will not ask. We will not ask investor. Yeah, it's like a problem. So we're not gonna ask an investor to bring his money and we give it to a learner that we're using your money to teach this person how to trade. Yeah, so we're not gonna do that one. So we have it here. Let me get it for you. For those of you that are learning, so we have a promo that's going on. Um, I want to share the screen with you. Sorry, just give me some minutes so that I can get it clearly, properly. I have my own direct program product that's going on. Let me know if I can get it now. So sorry because I do not plan to present it on my page on this note, so that's why. Yeah, I've gotten the page now. Then so you know that some people can be funny. They were expecting you to give them people's money to learn how to trade. So can you see what I'm sharing with you now? Yeah, it's loading. I pray it load fast. I don't know if my network is bad. Yeah, so I'm sorry. I will share the screen once it started loading. Okay, while that one is loading, let me share this one. So this is where we provide the fund here. Sorry, this is our trading school, not where we provide the fund here. So you see the different courses we offer from. This is the most popular one. This one, people used to go for that one. This one, people go for it. You see, this one is the most popular one. The Forex FX futures. So we are not giving it at a discount of $123, about 40% discount. Yeah. So these are the prices of our courses. These are the prices. 1 month, 170, but you can get it $125 as it is. We have 6 months. This is 6 months. You can get it around four something dollars on the discount you're offering. They will see how VIP training and mentorship. As you can see, this 6 months come with training and mentorship because 1 month it does not really give you enough room for mentorship. Then we have a exclusive VIP with me personally. That's about $5,000. So you can register on any of them, and we also offer more courses. We also offer more courses. That's not just forex. As you can see from our page here, we offer more courses. Let me close this thing. We offer more courses. We offer courses on, yeah, this is gold trading and future and derivatives. This course we had today now is relatively to this one because we're talking about future and sport. So we also have courses on equity. We also offer courses on this course is also related to investors course, the one we just finished now. Then we also have courses on real estate, cyber security. Then we used to have courses, special courses on crude oil alone. People that wanted to invest on oil. We have the courses. We offer courses on wealth management for those of you that want to scale your trading. We have people that used to come from from exchange proper. Like they're not here. Some members of exchange that is already trading on like security dealing companies or specialists that usually come, like investment specialists that will come and that used to come and teach us on all of them. In case anybody subscribe to it, it's not that it's taken all in by me. We have facilitator that teaches on them. So these are our courses now. How you can be able to learn from us. So any of you that want to register, I can be able to assist you get started. So this is another place where we provide the fund. I'm trying to load it. It's not loading properly. So you can see the list of the fund where we provide and how you can be able to access them. Let me know if I can log in. Let me know if I can log in properly. Just give me. I'm trying to log in properly. Let me check something. You see my life. Please forgive me. I was checking my phone to log in. I didn't even know the phone was what I'm using for streaming. Um. Okay, it's open already. I'm so sorry. Yeah, are you with me? So now, yeah. So this is where we provide the fund. You could see the list of like when you come to mentorship, you see the list of funds that we provide. Let me share from people here. Yeah, so from here you see the list of funds that we provide. You see from $50. You see this 6 months program. You see from this one is 800. From this amount, you can be able to access out of this capital. Then you can be able to access up to $50,000 capital for trading. I think it's a promotion that will soon end. This $50 is a promotion. I think to end this month. Yeah. So this one is a promotion. Are you there with me, Mr. David? That's the question. Yeah. Okay. So yes. Sir. So these are the list of the funds. So for those of you that want to apply for it, you can also send us message quickly and apply. Did you all come from our Telegram? So we can drop the link on Telegram. I've received a lot of messages that people that want to be with me one-on-one. So people that want me to onboard them on the gold hedging strategy and help them set up their account. So in case you want to set it up, please keep dropping your message. Let me sign up with you. We have a few minutes to go. Just keep dropping it. And if you have any comment you want to make concerning this webinar, we really appreciate your comments so far. So keep dropping your comment. So okay, I think we have come to the end of this section, and I think it's a wonderful one. For those of you that somebody asked a question. Why I'm currently not, I have been so enlightened. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I've dropped the link before for us to sign up. Those of you that want to sign up, you quickly sign up, and I want to onboard with you. Yeah, so send your WhatsApp, send it privately. I don't send it on the public one. So I will send your WhatsApp number here, send it to private chat, the way other people have sent. I'll copy all of them and we'll contact you and be able to onboard you personally. There, I want all of us to be on our own group. I have my reason for it. I want all of us to be on our own group where we trade together. So we can be able to, one, it will help us to monitor all our trade, all our analysis, making sure that much number of people are participating in our analysis. Yeah, so we don't want to situation where we keep you as an orphan and just let you do your thing. Because unless if you know that you can do it properly well. So send us your number. I'm just waiting for you to drop a number on a private message. If you go to your message, you select private, send to host only. I'll be able to receive it. The way other people send their own. Yeah, so I've received it now. I've copied it. I'll be able to add you up to the list. Okay, so okay, so I wish you guys all the best. I wish you guys all the best. So do have a wonderful evening, all of you.